Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an MTB trail sign. To start off, search up an image of the trail sign you want to make. You're going to have to put the image somewhere where you can print it out from. I just used Google Docs. Then you just have to size the image depending on how big you want the trail sign to be, then just print it out. Once you have your sign printed out, you're going to cut off the excess paper on the edges so that when you tape it to a piece of cardboard, you won't need as much. Once the paper is taped to the cardboard, you're going to have to cut out the spots that have color on the paper. I just used a box cutter because I found it cut best through the cardboard. The last two steps before you paint is to use painter's tape to have a nicer border and to tape your cardboard template to your block of wood. Now you're ready to paint. Paint, I used metallic blue spray paint because it was all I had, but it would have probably worked better with just regular blue spray paint. Once the paint is dry, you can peel away the tape and you have the trail sign. The last step is to drill holes so that you can hang your sign up on your trail or just in your room as decoration. I would like to give a shout out to Claypit MTB, who makes great MTB content including backyard trail building and product reviews. He is really close to 100 subs, so I'll leave a link in the description. If you liked the video, consider subscribing and have a great day.